Hello everyone, it's Adam from MMI. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install the Apple CarPlay module, which one you can get from MMI. We are going to install it in 2014 Audi A4 with MMI 3G Plus system. I hope that video will help you to make your own installation, so let's go and do all the magic. Okay, first of all we're gonna need to pull off this one unit. This is the main MMI 3G Plus unit. Also we're gonna need to pull off the air condition panel. To pull off this one we need the Volkswagen radio removal tools. That the tool is the one. There are some small holes where we need to put. I'm gonna try to show you. The one is here. And another one should be somewhere. Yeah. I just put all back down. And just simply sliding off. Okay, I can just remove these tools. You can remove it. And now we need to disconnect all cables from the back of the unit. Quite difficult to operate with just one hand. Okay, we're gonna leave those cables just over here. Now we're gonna try to remove the climatronic panel. There don't need any screwdrivers to remove the climatronic panel. Just on the simple clips. So what you need to do is just do it like that. Like you can see, there is already the Wi-Fi antenna and the USB connection, because I have already dragged in the Wi-Fi antenna and I stick it to this tunnel just under the plastics to get the better connection. But you don't need to do that. You can just lay the antenna somewhere here. It will be still fine. For the USB I have just dragged it off, and the cable is coming through the tunnel over here. I got the cable connector somewhere here, over here. Like you see, I'm using the Logitech USB extension with, it should be quite fun. Okay, now we need to connect all cables. We're gonna start maybe with that one. So one of these ends is going to the current cable over here. Simply click it. This one end will go to this unit. Another cable, which is here, is going to this one red, with the red end unit. We need to pull it out, plug it here, and put back the another end just onto the same place. And The screen splitter is this one cable. One end is going to this one, yeah, onto this one, onto the gray, and just click. That one end will go to the MMI unit, and that one end will go to the CarPlay unit over here. We can actually connect it right now. That one. There's another cable with the USB and the camera, the front camera, rear camera, but we are not gonna use this. So that white end is going onto the USB video. Over here. Just like that. Because I have already dragged in the USB cable, so I can connect it here. And the Wi-Fi cable, Wi-Fi antenna is going over here. Also there are the toggle switch, which we call the deep switch. In my case it's all off. They are up, that means they are all off. On the website you will find the schema to set up in your car, but mostly for the 3G Plus is just all of them off. In 3G High, the first 3 are off, the another 3 are on. Okay, so let's stick the antenna. And do not forget to connect the okay, I made a little mess with the cables. Do not forget to connect that one cable to the CAN section here. That one here. Connect that one over here, and the last end is going to the MMI. Here. Here we can just hide up the module. There is the little space just. Okay, now before putting all back together, we can check if the CarPlay box is working. Just start the ignition. To activate, in my case, I need to press and hold the nav button for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it works right now. Okay, I'm gonna try to connect with my phone and I'm gonna show you how it works. Right, I have connected the Android phone with the CarPlay unit and looks like it works wireless, so don't need to attach the cable. I'm not sure if all Android phones can work like that. Anyway, to start the CarPlay unit, you can use just the MMI buttons. Okay, I'm gonna need to change to play the music, I'm gonna need to change the source to the external audio input. I'm gonna show you in a minute how to enable it if you don't have. Let's switch to the CarPlay, just press the nav button. And we got the YouTube music here. You can also steering with the steering wheel. Like you see. And to enter but the minus of this situation, you're gonna have the little mess on the clock over here, so you're gonna need to press the reset here, but every move on the steering wheel will go this. Right, I'm gonna show you now how to enable the aux. To do this, we need to jump to the hidden green menu. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description how to enter the green menu, how to enable the access to the green menu. Actually, to enter, you need to press the menu and the car buttons together. So one more time. And we are in the green menu. Alright, we need to go to the diagnose, settings, MMI aux. And you might have here by default disabled. We need to just switch to the enable, restart the MMI unit. You can do that in 3G Plus by pressing the menu, central and top right silver button. And the MMI is rebooting now. Okay, I'm gonna put all back now. I hope that video will help you with the installation. If you're gonna have any questions, just send me a message or leave the comment. I will try to help you as soon as possible. Just please make sure you have connected all cables, then nothing wrong should happen. Alright, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next movie.